Hello, it's Nancy today. Well, today Ankaret is going to teach us how to make a mat, but we're making it out of yes, rushes. I got these reeds and rushes mixed up in my brain.
Reeds and rushes. Now, how many do you think we need? See, these are really, really long ones.
Mm-hmm.
And so I want...
And they're fat for a long way,
That's
too.
That's right. That's what I'm thinking.
Now, were these from the lake nearby?
Yes, they're from Dalhousie. You know, when you feel them, you could almost feel you're mangling them.
Mm-hmm.
So what I want to do is to find, for my... Oh, sorry, am I hitting in the eye?
No, here, I would come and get the ends. The ends that are going to be the size you want.
I think... How many should we have?
Well, you said 8 before?
I had 7 before.
Oh, well then I would go to 11.
It's really hard to do 11. I'm trying to find nice fat ones here.
Yeah, your string is right here.
Yes.
So if you pick them from this side, you won't get it
I was
tangled,
thinking if I
suppose.
could 3, 4, 5, 6. That might help. 6, 7. I'll give it to you. 7, 8. I'm finding nice fat ones.
Yeah, it's not going to be wide enough.
9, is that too thin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, we'll put that one back.
That's the fat. Oh, no, not very long.
That's not very long.
We've got 9, haven't we? We haven't got 9. 10.
I guess looking at it from the center was a good idea. I'm sorry. Because then you could see when they were still fat.
No, that's 11. How many did we say?
Well, I thought 11 was going to be good.
These are lovely long ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And she's got 2, 8, 9.
10, 11.
This one is kind of bent. I hope it'll be okay.
That's not very nice, that one.
Yeah, maybe that one wasn't very good either. Here's some right here. This one is
That's
a
right,
good
that
one.
could be 10.
This one I think is a good one.
Yes, that's lovely. There we are. Now I'm going to give them to you, and I'm going to wrap everybody up again so they don't get dry. I mean, this is, I've never done this before, so it's the whole thing is an experiment, which is exciting.
But you've made other kinds of mats, right?
Oh yes, but I've never done a big one
A major mat.
and sewn it up. I'll get this side. I'm going to get it out of the side. Got my baby. I've got to use all these today, so I'm going to have to keep weaving away. Or I'll have to dry them. I'm just going to put this lot in the shade. There we are. Now, okay, let's go and try. Experiment.